But the thing is just taking time. Hey, he's removing, but it's taking time.
Yes.
Let's see how this one will clean. Jason, this is your handwork. You are smiling. You are smiling. I said, do not write. See all the paper and books I gave to you. Do not write on the wall. Jaden, stop that. Do not write on the wall. Do not write on the wall. Write on the. You are laughing. I'm not laughing, no. See the job you are giving somebody now. Write on the wall. You are writing on the write on the paper. You are writing on the wall. Lavina did a very good job. She cleaned that pencil and everything disappeared. Then this other one, oh gone! I'm happy. Oh, gone. Everything is gone. So Jason, Jason, leave him. So Jason, no more writing on the wall. Do not write on the wall. See, everything is clear now. Everywhere is okay. Yeah.
Several days later.
So I'm looking. Oh, I just came back. Open. How are you?
Mom.
Sweet boy.
Wow.
Sweet boy. They said this sweet boy that you were sick. They called me from school that my son is not feeling fine, that he was vomiting. So, how far? How did he do? That time he vomited. Did he vomit again?
I give him medicine.
Which medicine?
That one they give them.
No, that one in the morning. That one I used to give them. Okay, no. That one is for the rashes. It's not for... God of mercy. Lavina. Go and wait there. Where's Jason?
I want bath them.
Okay. Let the sugar and bath. Leave the bread first. Oh, keep it. Oh, give me. Has he started bathing already? No. Okay, take him inside. I beg, give me. Jaden, Jaden, carry him. See Jaden now, he wants to go, Lavina.
Jaden, go and bath.
So they called me from the teacher. Jaden's teacher called that his tummy. He was vomiting. The food he ate that he vomited. Oh my God. Let me remove this one first. That he vomited and he was holding his tummy. So I called my girl too, and she said the same thing, that he vomited the food he ate. So I bought this thing. I'll show you guys later. Jaden, leave the bread. Go and bath first. So I bought. Hey, see how this boy tore the nylon. Fam, I'll see you later, beg.
The next day.
Hey fam, I'm waiting for my kids to be back. Lovina has gone to pick them from school, but I'm making opei rice. If you know opei rice, I don't know, you can call it opei rice, you can call it native rice. You know, I'm using palm oil. You can call it palm oil rice, whichever one. So all these native things, that's what. Let me just show you. This is it. You can see the opei. You can see the opei. So that's what I'm making. It's almost done, and I've just been peeping through the window to know when. Oh, they're here. To know when Lavina. I wanted to say to know when Lavina and the kids will be back, but they're here. See, boy, easy. See my other students. We are still waiting. Oh my love, sorry my baby. Sorry, clean your hand. We are still waiting for his uniform. We'll collect it this week. Sorry my love. How was school today? Remove your shoe. Remove. No, come inside. Remove your shoe. No. Remove your shoe. Please, if they remove the shoe, you air it here. Oh, yes. Keep it outside. My baby. Good job. You can remove it. Do it. You can remove it. Okay, let me help. Let me help my baby. Sweet boy. I remove your socks. I should help you too. Okay. I stand. Water, my love. Oh, yeah, come and drink water. Oh, yeah. Keep everything here. Let's go. No, just keep it. Keep it. Water. Jason likes water. Just now he finished one pure water. One day, God, J baby. It's good to drink water. Oh. I wish I can be drinking water like Jason. Oh. Hey, and that's why he doesn't have issues with poo-pooing. It's only Jaden. Jaden have every time. Jaden, his poo-poo is strong. Yeah. Hey, good job. Be drinking, oh. And the one he took, the one he went to school with, he finished it. Even Jaden, I think Jaden is learning from Jason now to drink water because Jaden, I'm surprised he finished his own water in school too. That's nice. Okay, let me dish out their food. No, stop opening this thing because of flies and mosquitoes. No, Jaden.
Check me, Jason.
Jason, no. Stop it, Osiso.
The poop will never come up.
And he's still This is their food flasks and lunch, what's it called? Water bottle. So it's going to be washed. These are food dished out. I want it to be cold so that they'll carry their own. I like hot food, sha. I don't like my food cold. Oh, guinea, guinea. You want to play with that thing? Let the food get cold. Do you hear me? Let the food get cold before they eat. Do not talk while eating. What are they saying? Jaden. Hey, Nikwasa, let me see your tummy. Let me see your tummy. This one is belly wise, not belly full. Yeah, belly wise. Hey, you got that for. And you were pouring water while eating too. But are you okay? Are you full? Sign of Ndeli Julafo. Fam, let me rest, I beg, and I'll see you in my next clip, okay? Hi Everyone, how are you all doing? See this thing, how am I even looking? This is my cap, my turban, you all know. So Jaden spoiled it for me, but I think this one he spoiled. I think I prefer this one now to that bow. You know, there's something, I think there's, if you remember, you remember now because I'm always wearing it. This something like bow that used to be here. Jaden spoiled it. And now I'm liking this one like this. This one is just simple. You know, at times these children will do something that if they do, you now start, okay, I think I like it. I prefer it like this now. So fam, my sweet boy, my dear Jason, my second born, my second son, his birthday is coming up. And I'm making preparations already. His birthday is on 4th October. And 4th October is just here. It's just here. So I'm making preparations. I went to their school to ask how many they are because my boy will be celebrating it in school. Yes, it will be 4th October. I think it's on Wednesday. Yeah, I think it's on Wednesday. So he'll be celebrating it in school. And I went to make inquiries. When I dropped them in school, I went to make inquiries on how many his classmates are and all that. So I got the information. They said it's 10, but I'll just be rounding up. You know, some people, I know maybe some parents will still bring in their children, I don't know, but I'll just round it up to 20, maybe. Yeah, so I'm just here. First of all, I don't know what I'm getting yet. I don't really know what I'm getting, but all these things that used to be in children's party park. Anyway, maybe if I go to the market, I will ask if there is any new thing. What Jaden used to bring back then, you bring back, they will put pencil, biscuits, ribena, you know. So I'll just check around. So I'm just here to let you all know that my sweet boy's birthday is on 4th and we are starting preparations. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, okay? Lavina, come and say hi. Come and say hi to my people. Let them see you very well. Come and say hi. Say hi. So I'll see you guys later. Let me do 1 or 2 things, okay? This video here, I'll probably start up another one with maybe the birthday preparations entirely, okay? Let this video not be too long. So like this video for me, share if possible, and subscribe if it's your first time, okay? And I'll see you in my next video. I'm still looking at this cup. I'm still looking at this turban. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.